Hey, do you ever have a favorite time of your life you think back to and you just wish you could go back there? We're going to talk about that right now because I think you can. Stand by. Hey there, how are you? Dr. Dave, I'm the RV dummy, and I'm here at Bear Lake in Utah. Yoko and I are camping out in our Class B RV. It's a Pleasure Way XLTS. We're having a great time. It's beautiful here, and sorry that I'm a little bundled up because it's actually a little chilly out here, but that's Bear Lake right in back of me, and right in front of me is our RV. We can make anything our backyard. And I was thinking, like a lot of times, I don't know about you, I'm sure it's the same for you, but I go back into my childhood or into previous years and I think about certain smells or certain friends, certain great times, maybe a summer day walking around the block with a popsicle in my hand or playing stickball or just doing something really fun. And I say to myself, those are the fun days. Those were just the good old days. But you can make these days right now the good old days. And I'm going to share with you just something real quickly. Several years ago, Yoko and I decided to live the life that we wanted to live. We went out and bought a Class B RV. If you're new to RVing, a Class B is like a van size. It's a large van, but it's got every single thing in it that you need. It's easy to drive. It's not like one of those big monstrosities. Now, I don't have anything against those, but we just like the smaller is better for us. And so over the past couple of years, what we've been able to do is we've moved out to Utah. We make anything we want in the country our backyard for one night, for several nights, for a week, or maybe longer. We can travel anywhere we want. We have a king-size bed in it. We have a full kitchen. We have a bathroom. We have a closet. What else do we have? A microwave. The list goes on and on. It's like a little house on wheels. And the reason I'm bringing this up is because, we can think back about 20 years ago or 30 years ago how great and simple life was. Sure, we can think about that, but I will tell you right now that the reason I'm doing this video is because I had this idea. Yoko and I are basically, and she's right over there, sitting around a campfire, talking, looking at the fire, not worrying about anything. I know there's a lot of craziness in the world going on right now, but we're just here in our own little world, enjoying the sounds of the people around on the beach, the birds, the smell. The moon is right up there. It's because it's evening time right now as I'm recording this. It's like 9:25 p.m. and it's still a little bit light out here in Utah. But I'm gonna say this. You can live your life and you can say, yeah, those were the good old days. It'll never be like that again. Or you can be proactive and say, I'm going to make these days, I'm going to make right now the good old days. So 5 years from now, 10 years from now, I'll look back and say, yeah, I had a great time traveling around wherever I went in my RV. It was fun. I was with the people that I wanted to be with. I was out in nature, making campfires, doing what I wanted to do. Yeah, those were the good old days, and that's happening right now with us. I want to see you make your good old days. Are you going to do it? Drop me a comment. Let me know, because I really think time goes too quickly and things happen, and I just don't want to see time slip by and you not do this. Whatever your good old days are going to be now, please go ahead and do them. I'm Dr. Dave, the RV dummy. I will see you really soon.